Hi everyone. I asked the question to ChatGPT and it solved my question wrong. In this video, I will show you which step is wrong, then I will give you the right solution and explanations. Let's see the question firstly. The probability that a certain type of electronic component will fail during the first hour of operation is 0.1. If 20 components are tested independently, what's the expected number of working components in a given hour? And what is the probability that the number of working components is at least 19? Let's look at the first question. The expected value of a binomial distribution with parameters n and p is given by this formula. And we can see the n is 20, the number of trials, and p is 0.9, and this is the probability of failure. When we multiplied them, we found 18. This solution is true. Let's look at the second part of the question. To calculate the probability that at least 19 components are working, we need to sum the probabilities of having 19, 20 or more working components. This idea for the solution is correct. Let's see how ChatGPT implements it. This part is true. And now we can calculate the individual probabilities and sum them. This part is also true. We can show Px is less than 19 like this. To calculate these probabilities, we can use the binomial probability formula. The binomial probability formula is given correctly. But when we look at the next step, this part, there is no formula, only the answer, also wrong answer. And since it found the answer of P is less than 19, the answer is also wrong in the last step. Now I will give you the steps and explanations. And here is our question, and let's write what we need. Px is greater than or equal to 19 is equal to Px equals to 19 plus Px equals to 20. And let's write binomial probability formula. Px equal to k is equal to combination of n and k times p to the power k times 1 minus p to the power n minus k. This is our binomial probability formula. And for our calculation, we need n and p. N equals to 20. This is the number of trials. P is equal to 0.9, and this is the probability of success. Let's find Px equals to 19 equals to combination of 20 and 19 times 0.9 to the power 19 times 1 minus 0.9 to the power 20 minus 19. And this is equal to 20 times 0.9 to the power 19 times 0.1 to the power 0.1. I'm sorry, here is 1. And let's find Px equals to 20 with the formula again. Combination of 20 and 20 times 0.9 to the power 20 times 1 minus 0.9 to the power 20 minus 20. And this is equal to, here is 1 times, here is 0.9 to the power 20 times 0.1 to the power 0. And let's add them together. Px equals to 19 plus Px equals to 20. Here is equals to here 0.27, and here is equals to 0.1215. And when we add them together, 0.1215, our answer is 0.391. I hope you understand my solution. Thank you for listening.